everyone, I'm Maria Stewas, and I'm a sales representative for Nest Labs. And if you look up here, you'll see what is a thermostat. It's really a beautiful piece of equipment, and you may not think it's a thermostat, but that's what we're going to talk about today. Okay, so Nest Labs was founded by Tony Fadell and Matt Rogers. And these guys were engineers for Apple. So they had a good job, working for a company that's really big in technology. But they saw this technology and they're like, this is not everywhere. This should be in every aspect of people's lives. So they got a couple laughs when they decided to leave Apple and found Nest Labs because, they needed this product. And they created the product, and after a year and a half of working with it, they have come out with the second version, which is 20% thinner, has a stainless steel ring that you can see around there, and it has updated technology. So today I'm going to be talking about the need for the product, what its features are, and comparing it. So the need for this product. According to Good Housekeeping, heating and cooling your home accounts for 50% of your energy bill. That's like $1,000 for the average home. And it saves you money and energy, and it's the only thermostat that adapts to your lifestyle. So according to the Huffington Post, Nest uses the power of intelligent algorithms to learn. And it's part of a new breed of devices that doesn't just work, but it thinks. Okay, so there are a lot of really cool features that make it very unique and sets it really apart from the competition. So I'm going to go over a couple of these. It has activity, humidity, and temperature sensors. So it has basically a camera on the front, so if you come up to it, it's going to turn on and light up. So when it's just off, it's just a blank, clean screen. So it looks really sleek. And it also has weatherware, which it's like a Wi-Fi enabled device. So it can go onto the internet and look at the temperature, and then also takes the sensors that it has, and then it adapts your temperature so that it's the most efficient temperature, so it's saving you a lot of energy, and that translates into a lot of money. It also has a mobile application, so you can change it if you're at work and you know that you're going to be coming home early or something, or if you're on vacation, and early on. So it senses when you want the temperature to be at a certain time. So if you wake up at 6 o'clock in the morning, for example, and you want it to be warmer, it'll start the temperature earlier so that it's the exact temperature you want exactly when you wake up. So other thermostats, if you change it, it takes 20-30 minutes to actually heat up to the temperature that you want it to be. And that just makes it a lot more convenient. Auto away, it will know when you're at work. So you'll have certain times when it's at work. So it will sometimes adjust based on what its Wi-Fi says so that it's very efficient then. System Match, it is compatible with almost all configurations of heating and cooling. And the Nest Leaf is just this little leaf that will pop up on the screen and on your report, so it gives you a monthly report of how much energy you're saving. And those indicate, it's just a little reminder of what times you're saving energy and how. Because it's Wi-Fi enabled, it also has automatic updates, so that's just one less thing you have to worry about. And Airwave is working with the air conditioner, so if it's in the summer and you're running the air conditioner at certain key points, it'll turn off the air conditioner but continue running the fan. So then it's circulating cool air and it's keeping everything cool, but it's not, running as much energy. Okay, so now we're going to compare it to its competition. And we're comparing it to the Lockstate Connect LS60i Internet Thermostat. This is really the closest thing that you can get. There are some really lower end products, but they just don't even come close to the Nest. So this is also a Wi-Fi enabled device. They both have touch screens, but as you can tell just from the picture, the Nest has a much better touch screen. It's motion activated, it's lit, and the screen on the Lockstate is just a lot more confusing. It's not nearly as clear. They also both have apps. They're both programmable, but the Lockstate is only programmable up to 4 times a day, and it doesn't have nearly as many features as the Nest. And it's not adjusting with you. It's just you set it that one time, and if you want to have to change something, you have to go back in and reset it each time. So then some of the features that are really unique to the Nest and just aren't found anywhere else are the activity, humidity, and temperature sensors, the Nest Leaf, the monthly report, the auto away early on. and it has a 2-year warranty compared to the lock state's 1-year warranty. And then price, and price is a really big deal, but they're actually priced about the same. The lock state actually runs higher in certain areas. If it wants more memory, you're gonna go up in price. But for $250, the Nest Learning thermostat will actually pay for itself in a year. And that's about the average home. If you're looking at an apartment, it might take a little bit longer because your energy bill is not gonna be that much. But if you think about it, you're buying a thermostat to have over a long period of time, so it will pay off. Okay, thank you everyone for coming to this presentation. I hope you learned a lot about this really cool product. You can see we have some pictures from different people's homes up there. And it's something that I hope that all of y'all can get into your houses, can get into your apartments. So what I did is we talked about the need, we talked about the program and the different features of it, and we compared it to the competition. So at the end of the presentation, I'm going to have sales representatives in the back of the room, and you can order it now so you can get it into your homes and get it working. So thank you very much, and I'll take questions now.